Guys, it's Kimberly Crawford again. I wanted to make another video. As you can tell, I'm super excited about this system. This system has made me $2,000 on two big ticket sales that came in basically this morning. And all I did was redirected my phone number. So I did a video before about advertising the phone number, the system, showing you how to change when people dial the number, how to change it to whatever link you want here. So pretty much I've been advertising my phone number, right? So if I'm already advertising my phone number, that means that the traffic is already there. People already have my website. So when they go back and click the link, so maybe I'm gonna check it out again and see what she sent. Now they see whatever opportunity I have directed the traffic to. This system has been just amazing. I'm so excited about it. Anyone who's joining my team, I'm sharing it like, look, this is a great system because you may have people that come into your business. They may not know much about email marketing. They may not know a lot about solo ads. They may not know a lot about video presentations and everything that you may know or I may know, things I have learned, skill sets over time. But one thing I can tell that everyone knows how to do is everyone knows how to share a phone number. And that's really all I've been doing. So if I've been sharing my phone number on social media, I've been marketing offline. This is a number that people are calling, right? So now if I already have traffic flowing, right? Traffic is already flowing through this number. Now all I have to do is go in my back office and change whatever I want to have people go to at this point. So now not only am I building up to promote the Press One Cash system, I'm also building up to promote whatever opportunity, right? I don't have to go to GoDaddy and keep buying new domain names, right? I have a phone number now. I can put this on a rotator and market different opportunities. I can take it out and just push one opportunity for a couple days. Because again, now when you start advertising, the phone number is already out there, right? People are already seeing the phone number. They're already calling the phone number, guys. So this is my fan page. Even my fan page has exploded because people are so curious now about the system. I'm waiting for it to come up. Of course, it's going to go slow while I'm talking, but people are so curious about how this system works, right? You come in, you pay, you get started, and immediately you get a phone number. Immediately you get a phone number to start marketing, to direct people to your website. I'm going to have over 200 followers now for Press One Cash on my website. It's just taking a look. Here we go. So this is my fan page. Basically what I did was to get all this attraction. I just set up my fan page. I went here and I just invited every single friend on my friends list, right? I have over 4,000 on this account. So that's all I did. I pushed a button and it sent out an invite to come like my system. Some people may like it. Some people may not. Doesn't matter to me. It's just more exposure. Now, all the people that went and liked, they got this number. They're looking at this phone number. So now I can point again this phone number to wherever I want it to go, right? Wherever I want the traffic to go, I can go in my back office right here and change that number. Change that website to wherever I want my traffic to go. The traffic is already there, right? So when they call my number, they press 1. Now they instantly got my website to wherever I wanted to go, right? So that's how I was able to do the big ticket right here. This is my Stripe account. I was able to do 2 big ticket sales with this system because I already had the traffic flowing through the phone number. That's my grandbaby. As you guys know, I do work from home, so there you go. But if you simply can share a phone number, right? You get someone into a business, they need a marketing system. This is going to be a great system to get them started. Because all they have to do is share the phone number. The traffic is already there, whether it's online, offline. Now, simply what you're doing is if you want to change your opportunity is update right here. Update to wherever you want the traffic to run. Again, guys, my fan page is booming. Once you get started, you build a fan page, put in your information. Now your number is just flowing out there, right? I've been doing some watch parties and some Facebook groups, like doing actual presentations. And people are excited about the system. Again, if you can share a phone number, guys, you can earn income. That's all I've been doing is sharing my phone number. Once you get started, you instantly get your phone number. You get credits to start promoting. And then you can plug in whatever business. I don't care what you're doing, whether it's online or offline, whatever business you want to push and have this information text to people's phones is what you can put in this this particular block right here, guys. So if you have any questions, you know, if you want to get started with your marketing system to beef up your business, or if you just want to make $200 commissions and beef up your business, whatever, which way you want to market this, guys, is so many different ways. Press One Cash is the go-to system for 2019. And I'm so excited. My team members are excited, and we're promoting the hell out of this system because it works. See you guys in the next video. Again, right here. All I did was been pushing my phone number, spreading that phone number, and then changing to where I want the traffic to go, right? Where I want the traffic to go. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Take